John Braun with Hitman Advertising here. I'm going to talk about 7 reasons why Google Ads are great for cleaning businesses. Many cleaners love Google Ads, and there are specific reasons why. So let's get right into it. Number 1, and perhaps the biggest reason, is it is an advertising media that people are actively searching for you. That's not the case in most types of advertising. But with Google Ads, people are actually putting into a search engine, looking for and asking Google, who are the cleaning companies in your area? So they have buying intent. They full on intend on hiring a cleaning company, and you can be there to show up when they put that search into the search engine. Reason number 2, results are right here at the very top of the search engine. Now, there are situations where Google Guaranteed shows up at the very top, sometimes not. Right below that, Google Ads, and the Google Ads are going to be right above the Maps area and right above the organic search. Now, sometimes cleaners come to me and say, hey, I already rank in organic search or Google Maps. Should I do Google Ads? And the answer is yes. Maybe not spend a ton of money on Google Ads, but yes, because think about if you show up several times, you're reinforcing your brand, and they're thinking that maybe there's a little bit of something to hiring you if you do show up more than one time inside of the search engine. So Google Ads is great because it does show up right there at the very top. Now, reason number 3 is you can easily test offers and quickly see if your website sells. There's a lot of you that have websites and you don't really even know if your website's booking any jobs. Well, you can quickly run a Google ad and see if that offer works, if your website sells. You want to make sure that your website sells. You want to make sure that your website is converting people from lurking into actually picking up the phone and calling you. Google Ads is a quick way to be able to test that and see if your website actually sells. And continuing with that, number 4 is that you can start and stop your ad campaigns on a dime within an hour or two, anytime that you want. Let's say that maybe you're too busy and you don't want to advertise anymore for the rest of the week. You can turn the ads off. Let's say you're not busy enough, you want to advertise more. You can quickly increase the spend or turn the ad campaign back on. I know of cleaners who have ad campaigns that they only turn off and on during slow times when they need the extra jobs coming in. So Google Ads are great for that because you can start and stop anytime. So number 5, the other great thing, again, there's no commitment. Along with the fact that you can start it and stop it anytime that you want, you can also have no contract. There's no more of the Angie's List or all these other services that require a 6-month or 3-month or 1-year contract where you're investing thousands of dollars and hoping that it's going to work. There's no contracts at all. Again, you can do it for a day if you want and then quit and never do it again. So that makes Google Ads really, really attractive to a lot of cleaning companies. Now, number 6, some of you probably already hopefully rank, in Google Maps down here in this area. Some of you probably rank even in organic, but here's the thing. You probably don't rank in every single keyword that you want to show up for. For example, a carpet cleaning company might rank great for carpet cleaning, but maybe not great for carpet cleaners. They might rank great for carpet cleaning, but not great for tile cleaning if they do tile cleaning or area rug cleaning. They might also not rank for pet odor removal. So you can use these other keywords and rank for anything that you want to rank for very quickly, send them to a dedicated page about that specific service. That way you can rank for all keywords. Hardly anybody ranks for every keyword that you want to rank for. Google Ads can fill in those blanks for when and if you need to fill them in. And number 7, this is perhaps the biggest reason that I love Google Ads, is because if you know how to use Google Ads the right way, you can make a few small tweaks either in the ad or in the ad campaign for the keywords, and you can totally beat your competition. You cannot do that with Google Guaranteed. You're on a pretty level playing field. With Google Local Maps area, the only real benefit that you've got being able to beat your competition is if you have more reviews than your competition. Google Ads doesn't rely on either one of those. It relies on really how you create the ad. That's why it's advertising. It relies on the keywords that you use. And if you know how to use Google Ads the right way, you can totally outbeat the competition. So here's the thing too that I see happen all the time. I see situations where I know for a fact that competition is spending $15 a click or $12 a click. And we can go in and help a cleaner create an ad campaign. And instead of spending $12 a click or $15 a click, we can, in that same city for the same keywords, only spend $8 or $9 a click or $7 a click and even outrank them. If you know how to use Google Ads, if you know some of the science behind how Google Ads work and why Google will rank you for certain things, you can totally beat your competition. So that's 7 reasons why most cleaners love using Google Ads. Very soon here in the Ad Coaching Club, I'm going to be doing a new updated course specifically on Google Ads to show you guys how to outwit the competition, how to rank better for less money. That's really what it's all about, and how to make Google Ads profitable. Google Ads can be a great advertising media. So look for more about the course coming up real soon.